Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking another one of my videos. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can transform your nails from looking like this to looking something like this. So much more cuter, right? So let's get straight into the video. So of course, first up we have to prep our natural nails, and I'm going to start by very gently filing the surface of my nail. Honestly, sometimes I absolutely hate filing my nails because I feel like it makes them weaker. So I'm trying to file as gently as possible just to remove the oils on the surface of my nail. However, you can just use maybe a nail buffer, which I probably should have, but you know, if you're using glue on your nails, which I will be in this video, filing your nails gently will help your stick-on nails stick on for so much longer. Okay, so now my nails are filed, it's time to push back my cuticles. To be honest, you could have done this in step one, as in first of all pushing back your cuticles and then filing, but I just forgot and then I remembered to push back my cuticles. So yeah, push back your cuticles so you have a lot of space to work with, and this helps as your nails grow out. The growth won't be as noticeable because you have that extra little bit from your cuticles. Okay, so for the actual nail, I'm going to be using the shape Short Coughing, which is my current absolute fave nail. I am just so into short nails at the moment. I think they're so much more manageable and they look so much more natural. So yeah, I'm going to be sticking that on with nail glue. As you can see, I'm applying nail glue directly to the base of the nail, just a little bit on the base of the nail. And then as I press the nail down from the cuticle at a 45-degree angle, the force is basically going to push up the nail glue towards the tip of the nail. And then I'm going to hold that down for 30 seconds as tightly as possible until it's completely dry on, and then move on to the next nail and repeat. Now that all my nails are on, I'm going to file the tips of the nail because I don't actually want this shape. I want an almond shape, but I just like the structure of the Short Coughing. I think they fit my natural nails better than maybe a short stiletto or short almond would. I don't know. I just really like the way they fit my natural nails. So yes, I'm going to file the tips of the nails to make them into a short almond shape. So now that I'm happy with the shape of my nails, it's time to buff the surface of my nails just to remove that shine so that when we apply our gel polish, we have a nice solid base to start from. And I'm also going to be buffing the edges of my nails, so at the tips, so that I can have a smooth, nice curve and not have any raggedy edges from the filing process. I think this is probably one of my favorite steps when doing nails because the buffer just makes life so much easy and it's so quick. And for some reason, I just love the matte look that it gives the nails. Like, I could probably even just wear my nails like this, but I know that looks really bad. But yes, for some weird reason, this is one of my favorite steps when doing nails. So the buffing is all done. Look how cute these nails are looking already. I wish I could leave them like this. But no, let's move on to actually applying our gel and doing our nail design. So for my gel polishes today, I am so excited because I have brand new gel polishes sent to me by Beetles. If you're an OG viewer on my channel, you absolutely know that I have been using Beetles from the beginning of time. This is literally where my whole business started from. So thank you so much to Beetles for sending me these amazing polishes. These polishes are from their Fantasyland collection. If you would also like to get yourself a gel nail kit, I will leave direct links below with a discount included, so please do check the link in my bio. As you can see here, I quickly did some swatches for you guys in case you wanted to see the polishes outside of their packaging. They are all super cute and super versatile. So yes, let's get straight into using them. So first up, I'm going to use the base gel and I'm going to apply that on all of my nails and cure that for 60 seconds. For my nail design today, I picked out these 4 colors because they stood out the most to me, but I did end up using some other colors, but you'll see that later on. So to get started, I just quickly applied a nude base color because I will be doing some French tips and nail designs and I'll need my nails to have a natural base. And then I'm going to apply a little bit of my gel polishes onto my mixing palette so that I can easily access them with my liner brushes. I also did a little bit of DIY, so one of my brushes was a little bit too old for wear and I really wanted a super thin brush, so I'm using some nail clippers to just trim off those excess hairs and create a almost singular head brush because I really wanted a thin brush. But of course, if you have a super thin brush, then this is not necessary. So dipping my thin haired brush into this really cute shade of pink, I'm going to get started on the tips of my nails. As you can see, this color is super vibrant and the gel polish is really good quality, so I did not need to go in with a second coat. Just one layer was more than enough. If you're looking for gel polishes, especially as a beginner, I would highly recommend Beetles. I mean, for me personally, getting started with my press-on nail business, Beetles was my go-to. They have a huge variety of different sets of gel polishes for all your different needs. So definitely do check out Beetles on Amazon, whether you're in the US or UK. They have really good quality gel polishes at really affordable prices. Okay, so after I finished with the pink on my thumb, I cured that for 60 seconds and then I moved on to dipping my brush into this very vibrant shade of blue. And I'm going to be adding abstract lines onto each of my nails. As you can see here, it's super simple, but you know, it slowly builds up the overall look of the nail design. Once I was done with that, I cured that for 60 seconds and then I can finally move on to my ring finger, which has a little bit of a different design. The concept was supposed to be interlinking lines of different gel polishes, so I hope I achieved that. And I'd recommend using a smaller portable LED lamp for maybe doing a single finger because it's so much easier than putting your whole hand into the big nail lamp. After that, I thought my nails needed a little bit extra bling, some glitz and glam. So I went in with this really cute sparkly shade of blue, which is full of glitters. You don't have to worry about the glitters not being enough on your brush. As you can see, just one single stroke of the glitters was more than enough to give my nails an extra boost of glamour. Okay, so finally, after curing that, I'm just going to place a little bit of this light shade of pink on a dotting tool because I'm going to be doing some stars and dots on my middle finger. Honestly, my star design was a little bit of a struggle, but I got there in the end, and I think it just brought the overall look together. And I also repeated that on my thumb as well. But anyways, we can now move on to finishing this nail design with a top coat. So I'm going to generously apply that on all of my nails and then cure that for 60 seconds. Once all my nails are nice and dry, I'm also going to finish up by adding some cuticle oil, and then we can finally see the final reveal. So here are the final nails. This is the final nail design. I am really happy with it. I think it's super cute, super unique, and you can literally change it up with any of the colors of your choice. So please do try this out and let me know how you get along. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And once again, thank you so much to Beetles for sending me their Fantasyland gel nail kit collection. I hope you guys also check it out. Anyways, guys, that's all from me. I will see you in my next video. Bye.